Okay, so just a quick review on the Ozeino. I think that's how I said it right. The OW310's wireless headset, works for the PS5. I believe it works for many other devices as well. I was just using it. I purchased a pair of the wired ones probably about 8 months ago. Seems to be very good headset, very budget price, but after reviews they recommended them, so I purchased a set. They did sound a bit on the quiet side, so I had to go into the settings on my console and just pump up the volume a little bit, and after that they sound very adequate for many games: COD, PUBG, Fortnite, etc, etc. These, having purchased the wireless ones, these seem to be a little bit more in price, but in terms of quality they're sounding very good. The sound quality sounds very rich, deep, quite bassy as well. And one of the things I always do is I speak to people online who I play with to find out how I sound while gaming, because a lot of time people will tell you if your mic is very distorted, whether it's crackling, and it can become very annoying for other people. But after speaking to a few other people while gaming, these sound very clear and very good. Yeah, so I highly recommend. For the price as well, I don't think you can really beat them on price. They're very high quality for the price, and they come with a very nice little bag that you can keep them in if you're having to, you know, just keep them keepsake or transport and stuff. And mic lead, so you can play without charge if you're not facing and charging. And then yeah, there's a charge cable there as well. So yeah, very happy customer. Thank you.
Helping. One, two. Wait, go right, go right.
This is very neat. I love them. They're loud. They work great. Thank you.